is hot. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. That looks like piss. But it's Red Bull, honey, because I'm tired. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Hi guys, it's Tanisha Nicole here, and I'm super excited to be back. I haven't seen you guys in like a month of Sundays, but I promise it was all for good reason. But now I'm back and I'm better. Okay, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas for you guys, so I'm really excited about that. I'm going to record videos Monday through Saturday, or I'm going to be uploading videos for you guys Monday through Saturday, and we're going to chill on Sunday because, you know, God said on the 7th day we rest, child. So you're going to hear rest, so that's what we have to do. But yes, I'm just super excited. I'm going to be doing Vlogmas here on my channel with a little twist. It's not going to be just your like traditional vlog style, honey. It's going to be the beauty edition. So all of my videos will be beauty related in some shape or form. Before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that I did launch a hair company, which I'm really excited about. So your girl was on hiatus from YouTube, honey, and she was working. Okay, I am wearing the hair that I sell now. I only sell Mink Brazilian hair, and I've had this hair for like a year now. So yes, honey, it lasts for a very long time. So if you guys want to check out my website, it's www.shoptrinitygrand.com. I am rocking my Mink Brazilian loose wave in a 20, 18, a 16, and I have a 14-inch lace frontal. So check out your girl. If you use promo code Intellectualbeaut, you can save 15% off of your order. But of course, as we get going with the videos, I'll get more in depth about my hair and showing you guys the different hair and things like that I offer. But I just wanted to get those logistics out the way. I don't know, like I'm just like really excited to be back. So today I'm going to be doing a highlighting and contouring video for you guys. I just want to go ahead and show you guys my technique. It's very simple, very easy. It's not hard at all. So we're just going to go ahead and just jump right into it. But yeah, so I already did my eyebrows. I have on eyelashes, and I laid my base down, like my foundation. And the foundation that I have on is the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I also mixed it with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm really big on combining foundations like lately. Like, I don't know, like I just don't like how foundations have been looking on their own, so I've been mixing them up. That's what I have going on my face. So the whole purpose of highlighting and contour is to like really make your face look like really defined. I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair out of my way before we get started, sis, because I don't want to get makeup in my hair, you feel me? So yes, the whole purpose of highlighting and contour is just to add definition to your face, and especially if you're somebody like me, your girl has been eating, okay, honey? Like I've been eating, and I've been eating good, and it's just horrible. So if you really trying to, like, you know, don't want to work out, still want to enjoy a cheeseburger, get your life with highlighting and contour. It'll lose like 10 pounds off your face. Like I'm not even joking. Like you will see as this video progresses the magic that can happen. Okay, so yes, so today I'm going to be highlighting with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade 10. You can kind of do whatever you want to do. Me personally, I like to use I like to use 2 to 3 shades lighter than my natural skin tone, because for me, like if I'm wearing makeup, like I want to be painted, okay? Like I'm trying to be painted to the gods, like I want to be beat down, okay? But it's all your preference. Pretty much when it comes to highlighting, you do want to use a lighter shade. It can be 1 to 2 shades lighter, whatever your personal preference is. But for me, I like something a little bit more dramatic, so I prefer 2 to 3 shades lighter depending on the look that I'm going for. But I just like to go underneath my eye in like a triangle motion. I know some people go a little crazy with the highlight. Not me. Like I'm not doing all of that. Like I just like to keep it very cute and simple. So I'll make like a little triangle. I like to highlight down the bridge of my nose to make my nose appear slimmer. Like the whole thing of this is just to make your face look extra slim and just snatched. You know, I love highlighting. Like for me, like I cannot just wear foundation. Like I mean I can, but it's just like, to me, like my face just looks so flat when I do that. Like, don't nobody want to be looking flat, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like for me, it just highlighting and contour just adds like a lot of definition and like depth to your face. I also like to highlight down my cupid's bow. I'm like sweating because your girl's chunky these days, so any type of activity makes me sweat. And I like to even highlight here. I don't even know why, honestly, I just like to do it. So in a normal situation, I would highlight my face and then do my brows to allow the highlight to just sit a little bit. Like, I don't really like to put highlighter on, or put concealer on, excuse me. Put concealer on and then immediately just go into blending. Like, to me, it kind of just like melts into my foundation too much for me. So I like to let it dry a little bit. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add my contour. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends. Like, sometimes I'll blend out my concealer first and then I'll go in with my contour and blend it out. But for the sake of this video, and because I kind of want this to dry, I'm going to go ahead and add my contour shade. I am obsessed with this black Opal True Color cream stick foundation. It's a foundation, but I use it to contour. I love it so much. As you can see, like, I don't really have that much left. I need to get another one, but this is, oh my god, it's just like so magical. I love it so freaking much. So then I would just go in and kind of like see where the hollows of my cheeks are, and then just kind of like place it there. Now for me, because I'm so used to highlighting, contouring, like, I know how to do it. But for you, if you want to, you can kind of make like that little fish face, like, to kind of see where you want to place the contour. I like to just go like this. I know some people like to bring your contour all the way down. Not me. I don't know. I don't see a purpose or a point in it in doing that, because to me, you just look crazy. So I just like to add a little bit here, and then just when I blend it out, bring everything down. So I'm just going to do that on this side. And then I'm also going to highlight my forehead. Now, you can like go under here to eliminate the double chin. To be honest, I don't always do that because, like, to me, I really don't care. But for the purpose of this video, I'll do it just in case you guys want to know. But I kind of just go along my jawline, and that's gonna like create a shadow to make it appear like it's skinnier. So, you know, it's just all illusions. Like, we're out here just creating illusions, honey. That's what we're trying to do. So now that my concealer has kind of sat there a little bit, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques, what is this called, beauty blender, which I love. It's super cheap and it gets the job done. I shouldn't have to say this, but I guess I have to say this because I watch a lot of videos and people be using a dirty AF beauty blender. Like, sis, all I gotta say is never trust a hoe with a dirty beauty blender. Like, sis, I'm just saying, you know, do what you want to do, but me personally, I don't trust you if you can't even wash your beauty blender. Like, But anyway, you can use a brush for this step, or you can use a beauty blender. I prefer a beauty blender because to me, it just gives a more flawless, natural finish. So that's what I like to use, but you're more than welcome to use what you want to use. But the gist is to just really go in and blend everything in. And because I'm a little extra, I like to go in with a little lighter shade than the Too Faced Shape Tape. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nars, what is this? Creamy Radiant Concealer, I think is what it's called. And I have the color Macadamia because I don't know, I just want to be a little extra. I'm gonna let that sit. And I'm gonna go in and blend out my forehead because I don't know how I forgot to blend out my forehead. But now I'm gonna take my Morphe E34 brush. This is my favorite brush to contour with. And I think because it has a lot to do with the way that it's shaped, it like really gets into your cheeks like perfectly. So I'm just gonna go in now and kind of like just blend out that contour shade. And see, as you can see, like, girl, it like instantly like sinks in and defines your cheekbones. Like, whoever invented contouring, I'm gonna have to do this without the thing, but shout out to whoever invented contouring. Like, you are the absolute GOAT in my opinion, because it's like, I don't like, contouring like changes your life. Like, it just changes your whole makeup look. Like, it just makes it look so much freaking better, and I'm here for all of it. Now, me personally, I don't really set my contour and stuff. Like, I set my concealer so that it doesn't like crease or whatever throughout the day. But in terms of like where I contour at, I really don't set that with any powder. It's just me. Like, you can, but me personally, I do not. So now I'm just gonna blend out the Nars Radiant Concealer, and as you can see, it just like gives an extra pop from before. And the main thing is just making sure that everything is like blended nicely, because you don't want to go anywhere, sis, and your shit is not blended, honey. Like, that's not ever cute. But as you can see, this is what it's looking like. If you guys want to rewind back, you can see the difference that highlighting makes. Now I'm going to go in and add some like bronzer to my face. Well, actually, let me rewind. I actually need to set this. So I like to use the, oh, this is dirty. The Kat Von D translucent powder. I use it in the shade, it's called the Lacquer setting powder. I use it in the shade translucent. And what I do is just take a little like that in there. And I just dab my beauty blender in it, and I set underneath where I place that concealer. And again, guys, like, it's just gonna lock everything in place, so you won't be out here looking all creasy and just nasty. So I don't really bake, like, I just place it and kind of just like blend it in. Like, for me, again, if you guys really want to add, like, be really extra or like really define, you can take this setting powder and go underneath where you contoured at to make it look really sharp. Again, this is like a technique that I don't do all the time, but it just kind of depends on like what mood I'm in. Like, if I'm feeling extra, then I'm really gonna be going, oh, look at that, I forgot I did that underneath my jawline, because I usually don't do it. So let me blend that out. Y'all wasn't even gonna say nothing to me, so let me to camouflage your double chin, honey. Yes, so like I was saying, so you would just go underneath the contour, extra sharp. And there's no product on this brush. I just didn't want any like harsh lines or anything like that. So from what I can see, everything is looking pretty good. So now we're gonna go in and actually like legitimately highlight, like with a highlighting powder. And this is just to add some glow to your face. So now I'm gonna go in and set everything with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And it just looks like this, if you can see. I like this one because you can use it like after you wash your face. You can spray it, or you can use it as like a setting spray to lock in your makeup. So I'm just gonna go in. If you're really like sensitive to smells or anything like that, I wouldn't recommend this, because you can really smell, for me, I smell the lavender the most. So if that's not, all right guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it very helpful. If you guys have any suggestions or anything that you guys want to see from me during my Vlogmas beauty edition, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below letting me know what you want to see, and I will be sure to jump on it. All I did was just add some bottom mascara, and I put on some lip. Put on a nice cute nude lip. Oh, let me tell you guys, because I don't want y'all to be mad at me, but I used the MAC lip pencil in Cork, and I used the NYX Slip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Chic Apparel, or Chic Appeal, excuse me. Chic Appeal. So that's what's on my lips if you guys want to know. But yes guys, real quick and simple, highlighting and contouring will really change your whole makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to